welcome back to our channel. Today we are showing you about our 82 to 92 Camaro headlight conversion kit. Here is what they look like. The headlight buckets will need to be modified slightly. It's easy to do with common tools you can find anywhere. In this video we are using a Dremel. Here we are showing you the bucket will not fit correctly without modification. You want to remove these tabs. Here is a bucket that we have already modified. As you can see, the headlight fits in there correctly. Here we are modifying the bucket using the Dremel. As you can see, this is a quick, easy modification with no cutting on the car. Alright, all done and ready for installation. The headlights come standard with halogen bulbs, or you can upgrade to LED. This car has LED on the low beam and halogens on the high beam. LEDs are available for low beam or high and low beam. Here is how they look from inside the car. This is with the headlights and fog lights on, and just the fog lights. And here is what they look like in the daytime. Side note, the LED fog lights are also available on our website, along with all the LEDs on this car. The headlights have a clear glass lens for long-term durability. This kit includes United Pacific conversion headlights for high and low beams with halogen bulbs. You have the option of adding upgraded LED bulbs and/or all hardware for a complete install. Alright y'all, that is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Y'all have a great day.